Yo, what's good, YouTube? It is Al, Wavy, Forex, DHS, Digital Hustler, back with another video. And look, in today's video, I'll be breaking down this trade that I'm in currently. Right now, I am up a to 1 to 3, you could say, a 1 to 3 on GU. And I'll basically be showing y'all how I got into this trade, what I was looking at, what happened with this trade, because there's a lot that goes into trades, bro. Like, people may see this graph and be like, oh, well, first of all, some people may look at this graph and be like, bro, what is going on? Listen, bro, make sure you stay tuned so I can break everything down. If you're new to trading and you don't know what any of this mean, make sure you stay tuned, like I said before, bro, because there's a lot of videos on this channel that you can learn from, you can get some information from. I am going to clean up this chart a lot, so like I said, man, just stick around. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna get it over time. This is money we talking about. You feel me? This is money we talking about, so I ain't gonna lie. When somebody talk about money, all I know how to do is shut up and listen. You know what I'm saying? But let's get started. Like I said, I'm gonna clear this chart out. It's a lot of unnecessary lines on here and stuff, so that's the first thing I'm gonna do. Take these off first. Okay, that's cool. That's good. Let me take this off as well. And this. All right, so boom. All right. So, like I said before, currently right now, we are floating at a 1 to 3. This market is still doing what it does. You know, it is Friday. So, with that being said, it is going to be closing within the next hour. So, we're going to see that most likely on Sunday when market open, we should get that push up. But, yeah, man, let's get into this breakdown. So, pretty much. So I'm gonna just lead up to where I am now. Okay, so we're gonna go over here to GU on the delete all of this. We're gonna start from the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, we are on a uptrend. So boom, boom, boom. All right, so usually market does similar swings, so we're gonna clone this, place that right here on the daily time frame. We have something like this. Now, like I said, people may be confused as to what's going on if you're new. Promise you, man, just stick around. I'm a very simplistic trader. I don't like confusing myself just because, one, I am a very curious individual. You know what I'm saying? I'm a very curious individual. So with that being said, there might be some trades that I might get into or might look at that necessarily don't look good. However, it's just my curiosity. I can't help it. So I indulge. I probably do a small position. I probably do a full position sometimes, you know. But it really all depends as to what information is in front of you. And trading is something that I do not like overthinking and making it harder on myself now. You know, back then I was hard headed, but with that being said, we're gonna mark up the highs and the lows. So pretty much this is what I see on the daily time frame. All right. Now over time of just watching and getting to understand like actually what's going on, this is gonna become so easy. Like, bro, I used to be so confused when I used to see people do this, but now it's like, bro, I can read a chart without no type of softwares, no type of lines. I can literally, like, you can open TradingView and I can tell you what's going on in the market, like no cap. But right now on the daily time frame, it was on a downtrend until it broke out of this structure right here, and now we see something like this. Okay, so now 4 hour time frame, we have this. Let's do 4 hour in blue. So weekly, I apologize, y'all. Oh, and also, you know what I'm saying, we had 627 subscribers. If you do want to join the family and subscribe as well, man, I would definitely appreciate it. We're on the road to 1,000. Help me get there, you know what I'm saying? Spread this word out with any person that want to learn how to trade. you know, et cetera, because yeah, it's finna get like that for real, no cap. But market shoots down. So yeah, like I said, daily time frame, weekly uptrend, daily uptrend. Now when we go onto the 4 hour time frame, we have an uptrend as well. So right now, currently, I am trading from this low to this high, and market came down. So pretty much, right? And I'm gonna be real with y'all. I'm always be real with y'all. I'm always keep it 1,000. So I did get into a trade earlier this week for this pair, which was on Tuesday night, Wednesday morning. Okay. And I pretty much got in for a buy around this area. I'm not going to try to pinpoint it because it's not necessary right now. And then I put my stop loss like right here. So what happened was basically market came down, hit my entry, but then it tapped my stop loss. Now, pretty much what happened, you know, more in depth to let y'all understand like what's really going on with this, right? The market decided to shoot down. The market decided to shoot down, but then it shot back up. All right, where the replay button at? Okay, replay right around here. Okay, so like I was saying, the market came down. Was it this? Like I said, I'm not finna sit up here and try to pinpoint exactly. So the market came down, put me in the entry. But what had happened was when it got in, I don't know why it's not showing though. Oh no! I'm tripping. I'm thinking about a whole nother trade. Yeah, no, it was tweaking. So yeah, market was right here, and pretty much it put me in the trade. But then I hit stop loss by 1 pip, literally 1 pip, y'all. Like no cap, and it shot up immediately after. When I tell you I'm at work, mind y'all, this is on my birthday, right? My birthday was May 30th, which was a day ago, right? Y'all go ahead and drop them happy birthdays in the chat, you know what I'm saying? Big 21 in the house. Been to have a lot of fun going on within this year, man. I ain't gonna lie, like, legal now to do whatever I want, whenever I want, wherever I want. We just gotta get that crib next, and Forex is definitely gonna help me get there. Remember, I said this in this video. On May 31st, 2024, I said I'm gonna get a new house from trading. I'm gonna stamp that. So look, pretty much hit stop loss, right? I believe I was in the market for like about either $75. I risked $75 within the market, right? Because like I said, I doubled up. So I got into the trade and then it came down a little bit more and then I got into another trade. So boom, $75 loss. As soon as I get into work, like I'm talking about not even a full 2 hours into work, I lost $75 already. Okay. So then I seen this push up and I'm like, bro, that's a little bit too aggressive to be just a regular move. Like this thing just shot up at least about 17 pips within the last 30 minutes. You know what I'm saying? Like this is literally what I'm thinking at work in the restroom. Like I went to the restroom, I told my manager and everything. I said, hey, look, I'm finna get into this trade. Do you mind me going to the restroom? He said, yeah, go ahead. I said, boom, bet. So boom, right? So like I said, hit stop loss by 1 pip, shot up immediately. Okay. So then market came down and did this. Right? Market came down as y'all seen here. So what I did was I got into another trade, the same exact trade that I was in before. I got into it again, literally the same exact one. So I got in right here around like 94 and then stop loss at 80. Like I said, same thing. So then the market shot up. And also for those that don't believe and, you know, need proof and got trust issues, et cetera, I'm literally going to show y'all my chart on my funded account and on my live account on my phone. You know, my phone is literally right here. You know what? Let me show y'all my live account right now. I'm gonna show y'all my funded later, but let me show you the live account and how it's looking, man. How it's looking. But anywho, as it loads up, let me show y'all real quick. Okay. So boom, I'm up 98 right now. I should have showed y'all this at the beginning because I know how some people get, but It is what it is, man. It is what it is. So look, as y'all can see at the top, I'm up $98, 99 now on GBPUSD Pro. So yeah, just so those people that, you know what I'm saying, they got trust issues, etc., etc. Okay, I don't even know how to show y'all this is a live account. But this is a live account, bro. I don't got no explaining to do, bro. It is what it is. You know what I'm saying? I already showed y'all. I'm going to show y'all my funded account too. So if you don't believe me then oh well. Why can I not move this? All right, y'all. We having some technical difficulties. Y'all be patient with me. Because what the fuck is going on? Okay, there we go. Got it. All right, so boom. Right? So I got into the market right here. So then market started shooting up. So I'm like, all right, bet. No, I lied. So when it got like around this area, I got in for like $15. I risked $15. And then it trickled down way more. So I like, boom, let me get in again for $30. So basically risking $45 in total, which I am risking every single trade. In total, I risked $45. So with that being said, when I seen that, I was like, all right, bet, let me get in again. So now we're in the trade and the market is shooting up. So I can see, right? So market continues to trend up. And at this point, I think it's the next day, if I'm not mistaken. But I'm going to sleep for work now. Okay. So after a long day of me sleeping and me texting people, thank you and gracias, and I appreciate you for saying happy birthday, we finally got some movement on the trade. But then, like I said before, it started coming back down. So pretty much this happened earlier today at work, and I attempted to get into another entry, but look, y'all, look what happened to my trade. I'm gonna turn down the brightness on this one so I can see what I'm talking about. Okay, turn that down all the way. So boom, right? So pretty much, like, I'm so sick, bro. I'm literally so sick. So like I said, right, I tried to get into another entry today at work. Look at this, y'all. Market stopped at 700. My entry was at 98. I know it says 97 here, but I added an extra pip. My entry was at 90. So basically meaning I missed the third trade on GU by literally 2 pips. I'm sure, bro. I'm literally showing y'all what I'm talking about. I'm gonna show y'all my on my funded account too, right? By 2 pips, I missed it. I was like, all right, cool. I'm gonna be grateful. You know what I'm saying? I was up like around $50 at the time when the market was up here, and I already knew how much money I was gonna make in total. So I was like, you know what, bro? I'm not really tripping because I'm already like gonna make 300 from this trade alone if it take profit. So if I was gonna get into this one, I would have made an extra 200. So I would have made 550 in total from these 3 trades. However, like I said, I missed my entry. So that being said, you know, it was kind of unfortunate, but it is what it is. So now the market shot up, and then when news came out at 7:30, it shot up again, and that was way more aggressive, way more stronger. I didn't see this pullback. If I did, I would have got in again, but this was around 7:30, and I was not paying attention to the market until like 7:35, something like that, because I was at work, like I said. So yeah, man, this is what pretty much we're looking like on the market currently. And we just waited for it to do what it does. So we're gonna see how it looks over time. Like I said, man, I was pissed off that I missed out on these $75 that I lost, because I'm talking about, like, at work I make around 150 a day. So the fact that I just literally missed out on half of my paycheck already, and I just walked in because of some BS, kind of irritated my soul. You know what I'm saying? But to show y'all a little bit of more proof, let me go to my funded account, like I told y'all. Let me show y'all what I'm talking about. GBP USD. All right, so all don't know why it always puts me on a 1 minute. Okay, so look. So as y'all see here, right, it says 1B and 1 time, meaning that there's 1 buy and then 1 limit, right? Once again, like I said before, there's 1 buy, which is this one that I'm currently in, and then this is a limit, right? 0.75. As y'all see, I had it on 98 like I told y'all, but I missed it by 2 pips. No cap, I literally missed it by 2 pips. So like I said, man, it is what it is. I'm not doing too much tripping. We have another week in front of us next week, so yeah. But once again, I appreciate y'all for 626 subscribers. Actually, I do want to show y'all one more thing before I hop off this. Let me show y'all one more thing, right? So videos. Yo, what's good, YouTube, man? It is Forex DHS back with another video. Oh wow, I did not break this down. Look, in today's video. Oh yeah, that's what happened. I'm gonna be doing a market overview, showing. Oh no, I did. Oh yeah, I did. Look, y'all. Basically, this is the trade. You know what I'm saying? Boy, that's like. Man, that stuff had pissed me off, bro. So y'all see how I have it at 0.25 right here. I hit stop loss and it shot up, etc., etc. It's literally the same trade, same pair, and everything. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and delete this one. Like I said, I did miss it, so we'll need that right there. And then when you invert the scale, it does look good for a sell as well. So with that being said, pretty much that's something else that you can add to your repertoire of things that help you with trading. I like to invert the scale. If it look good for a buy, it should look good for a sell. You know what I'm saying? That's one thing I learned. But yeah, man, literally the same trade. Put this quickly on, broke it down in front of y'all and everything. I even put it in the I'm even literally putting it and showed y'all me putting it on my account. Look at this, y'all. $0. Right. Look at that. We up 102 right now. Hopefully it focuses up, but you know, just for the doubters in the back, you know what I'm saying? But look, man, like I said before, I appreciate y'all for 600 subscribers. On the road to 700, then we on the road to 1,000. You know what I'm saying? Then we on the road to 2K, 3K, 4K, 10K. You name it, we gonna hit it, man. That meal coming soon too. Just stay tuned. But listen, man, appreciate every single person for watching and supporting. I will catch you on the next video. Y'all traders, y'all keep attacking the markets. And everybody else, man, y'all stay safe. DHS is out. King.